We're here with Raj, the manager of Woodland Arco. Raj, tell us a little bit about how you feel with your new Anthem dispensers.
Oh, with our dispensers, it's one of a kind. Nobody else has it. Beautiful, hasn't had one complaint since we had it. Everybody loves it. Everybody's happy with it. And I am so happy with it. Automatic, my volume has gone up. And I just have to educate a little bit of people how to use it. But oh my God, if everybody can have one, please do. This is what you need. Get your gas station, Anthem pumps.
Thank you, Raj. And Raj, as far as your customers' experience,
Everybody loves it. Everybody loves it.
Great,
It's
great.
one of a kind. Something they've never seen before.
Great. Well, listen, you've put on a great grand reopening here and shown Woodland great customer appreciation. I'm sure everyone in town here thanks you very much, and we thank you for your business.
Woodland, here we come. We're here for the community. Help each other grow.